This short video goes over the ways of finding applications and searching for files on a Mac. There are a number of different ways to find applications on a Mac. The easiest one is to go to Finder, which is this smiley face down at the bottom. You just have to hover your mouse over the bottom part of the screen. And you can go up to the left-hand side and look at applications. And you'll see a list of different applications that are currently available. But for some reason, not all of them show up on this list. So another way to look for an application is to search for its name up in the search function on the right-hand side. So that'll bring up a lot of different names, and you'll have to find the one that actually corresponds to your application, which can be a pain. So it's easier if you can find it using applications on the left-hand side to do that. Another way to search for an application is go to Launchpad, which looks like a little rocket, and that will give you a number of, again, different applications that you can choose from, and they look larger than in the applications file. So to get out of this, just click Escape on your keyboard. And then another way to look for applications is to go to the very far right-hand side at the top to this symbol that looks kind of like a magnifying glass. And that's a spotlight search, which you can use to search for, for an application. So this one brought it right up, and you would just click on that, double click on it, and it'll open up. And you can see in a Mac that a file is opening, an application rather, when it's kind of bouncing up and down. So that's just telling you that I'm working on it and I'll be here soon. Just wait for a minute. So you can see it starting to open up. I'm going to go ahead and look for a file while I'm waiting, just to show you how to do that. And the easiest way is to search up in the search function, and you should know something about the name of the file. I'm going to search for herons because I've got a lot of different files that have heron in the name, and it's brought these up, and you can see how it's brought up this file that I wanted to look at. So those are all the ways that you can search for applications and for files in a Mac.